Hello, today we are going to solve some questions from UGC NET Paper 1. So let's see the first one. The first question is, what is spyware in respect of computer software? We are given three options and we need to find the correct one. The first option says that software that aims to gather information about a person without his or her knowledge and that may send such information to another entity, or it is a legitimate software that allows companies to monitor and supervise the computers of their employees from a certain location, or it is software used to disrupt computer operation or gain access to private computer systems. So the correct answer is the option A. As we know that the spyware are the unwanted softwares which gather sensitive information of people without their knowledge and send to another entity, especially to advertisers or other users. Okay, now let's see the another question. So this is the next question. Which are the examples of potential kinetic energy? And we need to select the correct answer from the options given below. And they are water that is behind a dam, or it is radio signals, or it is an aeroplane idling on the runway or satellite before it is launched, or a coiled spring, and lastly heat harness from the oceans. And we need to select the correct answer from this given four options. So the correct answer is the option A. As we know that the potential kinetic energy, the examples are water that is behind a dam, water that is behind a dam, and the option 3, which is an aeroplane idling on the runway, idling on the runway, and the option 4, which is satellite before it is launched, and lastly the option 5, which is a coiled spring. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.